So recently I was just exploring random apps on Play Store, and while exploring I found an intriguing app which will allow you to unlock your PC using your smartphone's fingerprint sensor. So basically this app is for them who want a fingerprint unlock facility on their PC but does not have a dedicated fingerprint sensor to it. So this is Tejas here and you're watching TPTech, so without any further ado, let's roll in the intro. Follow the first link given in the description box to download this app, and second link to download the fingerprint unlock module. And by the way, this video is only for Android users. So after downloading, install the app and then you will be greeted with something just like this. Just press OK and then install the setup and press done. And make sure your PC is already having a login password, otherwise the module will not get installed and will show you an error. Then open the app, and now you'll need an account to use this app. So go to scan menu and make sure that your PC and your smartphone is on the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise it won't work. Then press Windows plus L key on your computer, which will take you to the login screen. Then go to scan option and pull down to refresh and make sure your PC is on the login screen. Then after refreshing, you'll find your PC's address there. Select that and press save. Now go to my accounts menu and then you will find your PC's registered ID there. Then press these three dots and press add an account and press OK. Then scan your fingerprint and enter account name and password. So in my case it is Jerry and my password is 123321. And make sure you enter your password and account name correctly, otherwise it will not work. Then press save. Then you will see a message just like this. Don't worry, just go to your Windows login screen by pressing Windows plus L key, and then you will find a new menu like this. Press on that and then confirm the session ID. The ID will be same as displayed in the mobile app. And then press proceed. And that's it. Now you have done all the process. Now you can go to unlock menu and use your fingerprint to unlock your laptop. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, so make sure to drop a like on this video. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video. Now let's roll out the outro.